Greetings and welcome. Today we'll see the another application of differential equation, that is Newton's law of cooling. We have learned Newton's law of cooling in our 12th standard. The law states that the rate of change of temperature is proportional to the difference between temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium. Now if I'll say theta be the temperature at any time t and theta 0 be the temperature of surrounding, then the law is what? d theta by dt is proportional to the difference between temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium, that is d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus theta 0 in mathematical form. This can be written as d theta by dt equal to minus k in bracket theta minus theta 0, where k is constant of proportionality. We have given negative sign because as time goes on increasing, temperature of the body goes on decreasing. Now if we will consider the example, say initially the temperature of body is 100 degrees Celsius, it drops to 60 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes, where the temperature of surrounding is 20 degrees Celsius. And if we want to find the temperature of the body after a further interval of 5 minutes, after a further interval of 5 minutes, that means 5 minutes are over plus 5 minutes. So we want the temperature of the body after 10 minutes. 5 plus 5, that is 10 minutes. So if I write down the Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt equal to minus k theta minus theta 0. But what is temperature of surrounding? 20 degrees Celsius. So it is minus k theta minus 20. We can convert this into variable separable form, that is theta minus 20 equal to minus k into dt. Now we only change the limits of integration. Say d theta upon theta minus 20 equal to minus k integral of dt. See how we'll write down the limits. We'll start from right hand side. When t is equal to 0, what is the temperature? 100 degrees Celsius. When t is equal to 5, the temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Now if we take the integral of this, it is ln of theta minus 20, or some people may say log of, but while calculating we'll find ln. Remember this, minus k integral of dt is t, limits from 0 to 5. Now we'll apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit. We get ln of 60 minus 20, that is 40, minus ln of 100 minus 20, that is 80, equal to minus 5k. 5 minus 0 is 5. Therefore value of k is 1 by 5 ln of 2. Say this as equation number 2, I can say this as equation number 1. Now we will only change the limits of integration. What is the question? We want the temperature of the body when time is 10 minutes. So only change the limits of integration. First part as it is, theta minus 20 equal to minus k integral of dt. Same, t is equal to 0, what is the temperature? 100. We want the temperature when t is equal to 10. Integrate this, it is ln of theta minus 20, limits from 100 to theta equal to minus k integral of dt is t, limits from 0 to 10. Apply limits, it is ln of theta minus 20 upon, or I can say theta minus 20 minus ln of 80 equal to minus k integral of, apply limits for t, it is 10k. Therefore you will get ln of theta minus 20 upon 80 equal to, value of k is 1 by 5 ln of 2. If we substitute this value 1 by 5 ln of 2, so you will get theta minus 20 upon 80 equal to 5. 10 by 5 is minus 2. So it is ln of, by using rules of logarithm, it is 2 raised to minus 2. On both sides we can cancel this ln. You will get theta minus 20 upon 80 equal to 2 raised to minus 2, that is 1 by 4. So theta minus 20 is equal to 80 by 4. 80 by 4 is 20. So theta is equal to minus 20. Transfer it to the another side. 20 plus 20 is 40. So what you have, when t is equal to 10, theta is equal to 40. Like this, we'll solve the examples of Newton's law of cooling. We'll take one more example. The temperature of the body drops from 100 to 60 degrees Celsius in 4 minutes, where the temperature of surrounding is 40 degrees Celsius. We want the time when the temperature of the body is 50 degrees Celsius. Again, if I'll consider the Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt equal to minus k, theta minus theta 0. Theta 0 is temperature of surrounding, so it is theta minus 40. You will get d theta by theta minus 40 equal to minus k dt. Variables of theta on one side, variables of t on another side. We use definite integral d theta upon theta minus 40 equal to minus k integral of dt. Initially when t is equal to 0, see the temperature is 100. It drops to 60 degrees Celsius when t is equal to 4. So t is equal to 4, theta is equal to 60. Integrate this. First we'll find value of constant of proportionality. So we'll get ln of theta minus 40 limits from 100 to 60 equal to minus k integral of dt is t limits from 0 to 4. Apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit. You will get ln of 60 minus 40, that is 20, minus ln of 100 minus 40, that is 60, equal to minus k as it is 4 minus 0. If you absorb this negative sign on the left hand side, you will get value of k. K is equal to 1 by 4 ln of 3. We will require this value. Now only change the limits of integration, that is d theta upon theta minus 40 equal to integral of minus k dt. See, t is equal to 0, the temperature is 100. We want the time t when the temperature will be 50 degrees Celsius. We want t when theta is equal to 50. Again take the integral ln of theta minus 40 limits from 100 to 50 minus k integral of dt is t limits from 0 to t. Apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit. You will get ln of 50 minus 40, that is 10, minus ln of 100 minus 40, that is 60, equal to minus kt. Absorb this negative sign on the right hand side. You will get t is equal to 1 upon k ln of 6. And we know the value of k, that is 1 by 4 ln of 3. If I substitute the value, you will get 4 ln of 6 upon ln of 3. And if you simplify this, you will get the value of t, that is 6.5 minutes. By using your calculator, you can easily find the value of t, that is within 6.5 minutes the temperature of the body will be 50. We will consider one more. So initially the temperature of the body 80, it drops to 60 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes, where the temperature of surrounding is 40 degrees Celsius. We want the temperature when the time will be 40 minutes. If you consider this example, we can say d theta by dt by Newton's law of cooling equal to minus k theta minus theta 0. Theta 0 is what here? 40 degrees Celsius, that is temperature of surrounding. So you will get d theta upon theta minus 40 equal to minus k dt. Variables of theta on one side, variables of t on another side. Now we will consider the integral on both sides. Definite integral we can solve. Some people may solve by using indefinite integral. When t is equal to 0, theta is 80, and when t is equal to 20, theta is 60. Now if you take integral of 1 upon x is log x. So you can see here ln of theta minus 40 limits from 80 to 60 equal to minus k integral of dt is t limits from 0 to 20. Apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit. 60 minus 40, that is 20, minus ln of 80 minus 40, that is 40, equal to minus 20k. Therefore, k is equal to 1 by 20 ln of 2. By using rules of logarithm, first transfer this negative sign to the left hand side and then we'll get the value of k. Now only change the limits of integration, that is integral of d theta upon theta minus 40 equal to minus k dt. So we want the temperature, say T is equal to 0, the temperature is 80. When T is equal to 40, we want value of theta. I will keep it theta only. So it is ln of theta minus 40 limits from 80 to theta equal to minus k integral of dt is t limits from 0 to 40. So it is ln of theta minus 40 minus apply limits ln of 80 minus 40 is 40 equal to minus k integral of dt is t, apply limits, it is 40 minus 0. We'll substitute value of k. Here if I use rules of logarithm, it is theta minus 40 upon 40 equal to minus 40. Value of k is 1 by 20 ln of 2. So this is ln of theta minus 40 upon 40 equal to ln of 40 by 20 is minus 2. So it is 2 raised to minus 2. You will get theta minus 40 upon 40 equal to 1 by 4. If you use mathematical calculation, you will get value of theta, that is 50 degree Celsius. Like this, we will solve the examples of Newton's law of cooling. Thank you for watching the complete video.